Hey, welcome back to 33 Hot Rod. I'm John Amber. I know it's been a long time since we've posted a video here on YouTube, but between Thanksgiving, a trip to Europe, Christmas with the family, and a few health problems that Joan and I have been dealing with, we really haven't had a lot of time to work on the car. So today we're going to take her for a test drive. We're going to make sure it's running good. Then we're going to bring her back in the shop and start working on the windshield, maybe buttoning up a few other things we've got to take care of. But we're back in gear, so keep coming back and checking us out. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and share us with your friend. And keep watching. Cheers. Hey, the 33 Hot Rod is running like a champ. We had a lot of fun driving it today. Come back next week and check us out. We'll be putting in the windshield and doing some other things on the car. Make sure you hit the like button, share us with your friends, and make sure you subscribe. Cheers.